Ever wondered if your cat would remember its previous owner if they crossed paths again? Well, it's time to dive into the intriguing world of feline memory and recognition abilities. There are quite a few misconceptions floating around about our furry friends and their memory. Some people believe that cats live entirely in the moment with no recollection of the past. But contrary to these beliefs, cats are much more cognitively complex than we give them credit for. You see, cats have a longer-term memory than most people imagine. They can remember their owners, other cats, and even some events from their past. It's not just about immediate survival needs or the location of the food dish. Their memories are more nuanced, more intricate. So the next time you think your cat has forgotten you, think again. The mystery of feline memory is much more fascinating than you might have thought. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this captivating topic. Science has a lot to say about the memory of our feline friends. Over the years, numerous studies have been conducted to understand the complexity of a cat's memory, and as it turns out, cats are quite the memory powerhouses. One study that stands out is from the University of Michigan. Researchers there found that cats could remember problem-solving strategies for up to 16 hours. Yes, you heard it right, 16 hours. This study involved teaching cats to manipulate a simple puzzle box to get food. Even after a whole night of sleep, most cats could still remember how to solve the puzzle. This finding suggests that cats have something called episodic memory. This type of memory is about remembering specific events and experiences, something that was previously thought to be unique to humans and some primates. But that's not all. Another intriguing study comes from the University of Lincoln. Researchers there were curious about the bond between cats and their owners. They found that cats form strong bonds with their owners and can recognize them even after long periods of separation. This study involved observing cats and their reactions when reunited with their owners after a significant period apart. The cats didn't just recognize their owners, they showed clear signs of attachment, seeking out their owners for comfort and safety. So, what does this all mean? Well, these studies suggest that cats don't just live in the moment as we often think. They remember their experiences, they learn from them, and they form lasting bonds with the people in their lives. Cats, it appears, have a remarkable ability to remember and recognize, much more than we often give them credit for. These studies show that cats have a remarkable ability to remember and recognize, much more than we often give them credit for. So, the million-dollar question remains: can a cat remember its previous owner? Well, recent research seems to suggest that our feline friends have a better memory than we might initially give them credit for. Studies have shown that cats can remember their previous owners, especially if they had a strong bond or spent a significant amount of time together. Just like us humans, cats can form deep emotional connections that can leave lasting impressions. That being said, it's important to note that many factors can influence a cat's memory. For instance, the duration and nature of their relationship with the previous owner can play a crucial role. A cat might remember a kind and loving owner more clearly than a neglectful one. In conclusion, while it's impossible to know exactly what goes on in a cat's mind, the evidence suggests that they can indeed remember their previous owners. And who knows? Maybe your feline friend is reminiscing about old times even as we speak. Let's recap what we have learned today. We delved into the fascinating world of feline memory, and discovered that our furry friends have a much more complex cognitive ability than we might have initially thought. Science has shown us through a variety of studies that cats can recall problem-solving strategies and use them in their day-to-day lives. Moreover, cats form strong emotional bonds with their owners, which is a testament to their ability to remember and recognize individuals. This leads us to believe that, yes, a cat is likely to remember a previous owner if they were to encounter them again. This isn't just about recognizing a familiar face, but recalling the emotional bond they once shared. So, we can conclude that our feline companions are not just creatures of instinct, but beings with a rich memory landscape. So, next time you look into those feline eyes, remember, they might be holding on to more memories than you think.